Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. It just got here. I honestly didn't expect it till tomorrow, so even though it's 8 o'clock at night and I normally don't film this late, tonight we're going to do a full unboxing and review of all of the items inside of my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of September. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. Also, I'm going to link a video up above. It is a BoxyCharm spoiler video. In that video, I have a massive giveaway going on. I have 3 mystery boxes going to 3 lucky individuals. So make sure to check out that video so you can enter. All you have to do is like that video, comment on that video, and make sure you'll subscribe to my channel, and you'll be entered to win one of those mystery prizes. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video, which is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus unboxing. Alright, so like I say in every unboxing video, this is paid. This is not PR, though I will be doing PR unboxings as well, but this is still paid. So this is not a sponsored video. Also, I have the app up in front of me, so I have all of the items listed because there's no real card because there's so many variations. Anyway, this is the September box, and the theme card is Work, School, Life, or Back to School. Whether you're rushing to the office again, commuting, and wearing lipstick, or catching up on much-needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. Really cute. I'm loving the throwback, like, Clueless vibes of this, like, faux houndstoothy vibe, so I'm really excited about that. This is the $25 a month subscription, so when I do a, like, is this worth it? The question really becomes, do I get more than $25 out of it? And spoiler alert, I absolutely do. First item out of the box is the Murad Clarifying Oil-Free Water Gel Moisturizer. It is a lightweight, non-comedogenic, so non-pore clogging, lightly hydrating and clarifying moisturizer. We believe it is perfect for everyday moisture for oily and acne-prone skin. Use it morning or night, even on your face, neck, and chest. Retails for $44. I have used this. I am a fan of this product. Just at the $44, I already know this is worth it. The one issue I have, if I'm being honest, is I don't love the packaging because you can't really tell when it's empty. It just kind of one day has no more in it. So even though I don't love the pump because you can't really see how much is in there, it is an amazing moisturizer. I am oily and breakout prone, as you can tell by this thing on my face. So for me, this is the perfect moisturizer, or on the list of perfect moisturizers. The next item out of the box comes from Neogen Dermatology. It is the A-Clear Soothing Foam Cleanser, packed with acne-fighting ingredients like salicylic acid, tea tree, and centella. This will target breakouts, reduce excess oil, eliminating dirt and bacteria, and calming redness and irritation. Retails for $19. I have not used this before, but I'm excited to try it out. What I think I'm noticing more this month than any other month is that the choices, or the products that are in my box, bag, box, whatever, actually seem really tailored towards my skin. In my survey, I do say I have oily skin, I have breakout prone skin, so for me, both of these are right on brand for the things that I typically like, and at almost $60 in value, I definitely already got my money's worth out of this box, so already a win, but we're still going to look at the other 3 items. Next, from Real Her, this is the Love What You Do powder brush. Now, I've used Real Her brushes in the past, and I have really liked the ones I've used. They're not my favorite brushes. I am still obsessed with the Farrah Beauty powder brush that I got 3 months ago, I think. I use this to bronze and contour the face. You can use it for powder. It's just like the perfect powder brush. So I'm going to be holding on to this and dropping it in an upcoming giveaway, because if you guys saw, I have so many brushes. I don't need any more currently, and these brushes aren't enough to make me really, really want more, versus if I got another Farrah Beauty brush, I would try it out. Alright, so Travis has joined, so clearly none of you are looking at me anymore. Next product out of the box comes from Galactic, which is a brand I have used in the past and I'm a very big fan of. This is the Glow on the Go in the shade Jet Setter. A portable highlighter stick gets you glowy in seconds, a creamy formula infused with waterproof pearlescent pigments to give you long-lasting, lit-from-within glow. Glide onto the high points of your face, blend out with clean fingers. Retails for $21. Now, there's not a lot of makeup in this box, so I'm going to try this in like a full-on tutorial in an upcoming video. I'm just going to swatch it today and see how we like it. So let's apply a little bit right here. Definitely has some nice shine. Blends out nicely, so you can definitely get more of a natural glow with it. I am going to have to try it on the face just to see how that works. I will be using this in an upcoming tutorial, but there wasn't much makeup in this box, so I will be trying it out at a later date. And the last item comes from the brand YC Collection. It is the Stay Natural Liquid Blush Duo in the shades Watermelon and Guyaba. Serious pigment meets serious hydration. This liquid blush infuses cheeks with a pop of peach and coral, plus long-lasting moisture for vitamins E and plant oils. Apply to your fingers with a sponge and blend out. I'm just going to take a quick look at the ingredients. All right, there's dimethicone in here, which is not the end of the world, and there are no allergens, so I can use this. Here are the two colors. One is more corally, one is more pinky. Again, I will use this in an upcoming video or tutorial. Let's just swatch and see how they look. This one is the shade Watermelon. Definitely more of your watermelon-y color. And the other one is a little more of that coral tone. I think both of those would be really beautiful. I'm going to put those to work in an upcoming video as well. So I'm going to just move the box so I don't accidentally put a used product away. But the formula looks nice. It does sheer out beautifully on the skin, so you can get more of that like flush to the cheek. Actually, I would probably mix these colors together, because look at that tone right there. The two mixed, I think, would be really stunning. I'm going to set these aside and try them in an upcoming video and let you know what I think. Anyway, all in all, this box had a retail value in excess of $100, and it's definitely got the I definitely got the $25 price point out of it. Just in the moisturizer alone, it is definitely worth it. There's nothing in here that screams like bad product. Every now and then, you know, you get a product in a box and you're just like, yeah, this is just not good. The Real Her brush, obviously I don't need brushes, so that I did pick to throw in the giveaway. But the blushes, I think, look really pretty, and I cannot wait to try that on the skin. I'm really, really excited to try this. I think this might be pretty on the eyes as well. And obviously, I love skincare, so a good cleanser is always something I can work into my routine. But that moisturizer, 10 out of 10, I already love. So those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to check out the BoxyCharm spoiler video so I can go over all of that stuff with you, and you can check out an amazing giveaway that I have going on. That'll be going for another few days, and then I'll send out prizes to some winners. So make sure to like this video or enter that giveaway and all of that fun stuff, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!